What's going on, guys? Welcome to Clay's Coins. I believe competence creates confidence, so I started this channel to give you guys some information, education, and better understanding of cryptocurrency and some stock market information. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not an indication to buy, hold, or sell any cryptocurrency or stock talked about in this video or on this channel. But today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can buy Marshall Inu MRI, the fan favorite, the Fighting for Fighters cryptocurrency that I talk about on this channel that I'm a huge fan of, not affiliated with them in any way, just a huge supporter of the cryptocurrency, how you guys can buy it on Binance Smart Chain. Yes, you can get it on BSC for no gas fees, and it's official. It's the official MRI token, and it even shows you when you connect your wallet to their site that it's official. So this is going to be how, guys. Before we do, guys, let's go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button. Comment down below if you are an MRI holder. If not, go ahead and let me know if you're going to be picking some up now that you know how to get it without having to pay exorbitant gas fees on Ethereum. I mean, if there's one thing inflation has taught us, it's that gas is ridiculous. But I mean, Ethereum gas fees have been getting us prepared for that for a long time. So let me know. Alright, so we're over on CoinMarketCap just so we can look at what's going on right now, because it does indicate that the price is about 0074. However, that is not necessarily the price for every exchange nor every chain. Marshall Inu is on Ethereum and BSC, but when you go to their website, it is almost difficult to try to figure out how to buy it on BSC. They show you how to buy it through the Coinbase wallet. They show you how to buy it on Uniswap, and they don't really show you anything about where to get it on BSC. PancakeSwap, as you might have guessed, is where you're going to end up getting this cryptocurrency. And if you look right here, it's actually a little bit more expensive than it is over on Uniswap on Ethereum. So there's a couple Uniswaps, V2, V3, MEXC, and CoinTiger. As far as I know, BNB, the only one you can get it on is PancakeSwap. So that's what I'm going to show you guys right now. Just to show you guys real quick what I mean, when you're on their site, this is Marshall Inu. If you go to how to buy right here, wait for it to load. How to buy guides. They show you Rubik widget or trade on Uniswap. This is the Rubik widget to try to trade. BSC, this is a pain in the butt to use. It's the app. They want you to do it through them. So trade on Uniswap or purchase with Coinbase, listed on 16 exchanges. This is something that is very beneficial, guys. If you're not spending thousands on it, you're probably not going to want to spend 10, 20, 30, 40, $100 on gas. I mean, some of these gas fees on some of these transactions are crazy. So we're going to head over to PancakeSwap, and I'm actually going to show you guys right now when I type this in, because you need to be going to PancakeSwap.finance. That is the website you guys need to be on. This is the only official PancakeSwap website, and this will show you a banner right at the very top. Please make sure you are visiting PancakeSwap.finance. Check the URL carefully. I do not want you guys to end up going to a different one that's a phishing scam and end up getting hacked or something awful. You know what I mean? So just make sure that is what it is. We'll head over to full screen and get the wallet connected. Alright, the wallet is all connected, and we're going to go right over here to trade. Click on that. It automatically brings you to swap. And if you will notice right here, this is the one thing that can be a little frustrating at first to figure out, but with MRI, you're going to want to go from BNB to MRI, and you're going to want the 18% slippage. Sometimes you can get away with 17. Some people say 15 and 16. I've never been able to purchase MRI at 15 or 16% slippage, so 18 seems to be pretty reliable. All you literally do is take your BNB. We're going to do 0.37 right here, you know, just an easy number. It's just about 11,000 actually, and we're going to go ahead and buy that, swap, leave a little bit on the account just for some gas fees, confirm swap right there, and it's going to ask me right up here if I want to confirm it. I'm going to confirm the transaction. And if you guys would notice, that amount of gas was like cents. Literally cents, less than 10 cents. Transaction receipt, we are all set. It has gone through, and we just purchased. So now, as you can see, the balance is $23,275 on this wallet. And let's head over to Marshall Inu, because obviously It's all meaningless if it doesn't show us right here. Pop up full screen just so you guys have a better idea. Look up in the top right over here. It automatically, now that my wallet is connected, shows my wallet address, you know, little pieces of it, MRI 23.2K, and shows the BSC symbol. Because you can click and switch between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. So now, you guys, all you have to do is follow those steps, and you can get MRI on Binance Smart Chain without paying almost any fees whatsoever for gas. It's quick, it's easy. That transaction time was almost nothing. I mean, I literally did it live. I didn't cut that transaction at all. I won't cut it in post edit. And yeah. Alright guys, that's going to be everything for the video. Put a flexing emoji in the comment section down below if you enjoyed the video and if it helped you today. Go ahead and like the video. All comments do help the algorithm. Share the video with your friends. If you guys don't know, Marshall Inu is a huge mixed martial art fighting cryptocurrency. They support and help pay for fighters expenses, gym fees, travel, different things like that. Lesser privileged, less abled fighters who haven't made it yet, they really help those guys, and it's a really, really cool thing to see. They have their own fight league going and everything, guys. They have a lot in the works. So you know, like I said, I'm in no way affiliated with them. I'm not making any money off this whatsoever besides, you know, the YouTube channel. So but go ahead and check them out, guys. Marshall Inu MRI. Joe Rogan is officially on board with them. He heard about them, and I'm waiting on him to tweet about something, mention it in a podcast, because it's going to soar. And if you guys look, it actually just ran up over a cent a piece. We just purchased it for about 008, 007 and some change. It actually just ran up over a cent just a couple days ago. So this is a cryptocurrency, a microcap, mind you, that can do crazy numbers. I hope you guys learned something today, and it helps you. If you have any questions, have any problems with it, let me know in the comments section down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification so you never miss an update. And other than that, guys, take care of yourselves, stay hydrated.